Does car insurance cover car seat replacement after an accident? So the car seat where your baby or your toddler sit, if you're in an accident, does insurance pay to replace those car seats? Now, I had to be honest, years ago, I heard people say that they had to replace their car seat after an accident, and I thought that was strange because the accidents weren't that bad, and I was wondering why we were replacing car seats. Come to find out, I'm just not very smart, and car seats, their structure can be weakened a great deal after a car accident, even if it's a minor accident, which leaves your child not safe inside of a car seat if it's been in a car accident. So that's the first thing to take away from this. Many of you are probably smarter than me, but if you're not, please make sure that you do replace your car seat after a car accident. But let's get to the issue of car insurance covering it. For the most part, yes, most every single insurance policy that I've seen does have a provision in there that they are going to take care of the car seat. If you are in an accident, if it's your insurance company or the other person's insurance company taking care of it, just make sure to mention that to the claims adjuster. Some insurance companies have a process that they want you to go through. Some will just give you a set amount of money and you go out and replace it. Others will ask for you to go out and replace it and send in a receipt, and then they reimburse you. So for the most part, yes, car seats are going to be covered, but just check with the claims adjuster and they will be able to walk you through the process and let you know exactly what you need to do.